Cooking daily for 40 to 50 workers, what's it like? Today, pork with celery and crispy tofu salad. Ingredients are ready. Let's start prep. First, I have the celery and slice it diagonally. Then, I chop green and red chilies, onion, and scallions. These are for the tofu dish. Lastly, I slice the tofu thick for easier frying, then cut into strips after frying. Once prep is done, I heat all in the pan until it smokes over 100 degrees Celsius. I add salt to prevent sticking. Now, fry the tofu. Slide it gently into the wok to avoid all splashes. Once the tofu is golden brown, we scoop it out. I realize the tofu is cut too thick. The outside was crispy, but the inside too soft. Thinner slices would have been better. We add the tofu to a bowl, then mix in chili, onions, scallions, chili oil, soy sauce, vinegar, salt, MSG, sesame oil, sugar, and a drop of Sichuan pepper all. Then, like always, give it a gentle mix. The tofu was a bit fragile today, so I had to be extra careful not to break it. A tip for cold dishes: a bit of sesame oil and sugar makes a big difference. We boil water, blanch the celery and fungus, then rinse in cold water and set aside. We season the pork with light soy, dark soy, and all to lock in moisture. Then, we heat the wok and stir-fry the pork quickly. Since my pork strips are thin, I didn't coat them in starch. But for thicker cuts, adding starch makes the meat more tender. After the pork is mostly done, add in the black fungus and stir-fry together. Then toss in all the celery. It felt like too much at first, but I figured might as well cook it all. A little salt, a dash of MSG, a few more stirs, and it's done. These two dishes were fairly simple. Since portions were generous today, I made sure everyone got a full ladle. You need a full stomach for a hard day's work. That's all for today's video. Catch you next time. Bye-bye.